Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Friday, December 18th, 2020.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now Mr. Cyrus is here for a special announcement.
Good morning, Falcons. I'm here to introduce the Teacher of the Year, Coach Parker. We are so proud and lucky to have him on campus. Congratulations, Coach.
Thank you so much.
Happy holidays, Falcons. Have a great break.
Yay!
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 61 and a low of 32, with 20% chance of rain.
Wait, Matthew, stop. Look at the northern lights.
Whoa.
They're so pretty.
Yeah.
Christmas news. There are 5 days and 20 hours until Santa comes. Wait, there's more. There is only 4 hours until our holiday break.
Now for a featured teacher. 3rd grade, Mrs. Bartley. Welcome, Mrs. Bartley. May we ask you a few questions?
Yes, you may.
Do you have any holiday traditions?
We do. My boys were born on Christmas Eve, so we go to my mom's house. She makes them a special dinner. Then we go back home and watch 'Twas the Night Before Christmas.
Neat.
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to doing this this winter break?
Taking lots of naps and watching lots of Netflix.
What's your favorite part about being a teacher?
Seeing all the kids and watching them learn and grow. I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Happy
you.
holidays.
Yay!
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Kayla, what's Santa's favorite candy?
I don't know what.
Jolly Ranchers. In the headlines, John Hobson, age 93, is a retired colonel in the Air Force, and he has been making walking sticks. He sells these handmade creations for $3 each. The money raised all goes to the local food pantry. So far, he's raised over 100 walking sticks and donated around $650 to the pantry.
Wow. Did not know that. Now here's Alexis for today's fun fact.
Today's fun fact is the CIA headquarters has its own Starbucks.
What?
But baristas don't write names on the cups. They must love coffee.
Yes. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Matthew.
I'm Kayla. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.
Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.
Wow.